With just 5 legitimate apps, you can pocket more than $100, $300, and even surpass $600 in a single day by simply watching YouTube videos. This method stands out as one of the most effective ways to earn money online, as it offers the potential to rake in over $800 effortlessly through video viewing. So let's begin with the first app, Superpay.me. Introducing Superpay, the go-to platform for earning money online through its versatile range of tasks. Whether you're completing quick surveys, engaging with offers and trials, enjoying games, or simply watching videos, Superpay offers myriad opportunities to earn. Since its inception in 2012, this platform has solidified its position as a leader in the online earning sphere, boasting over a decade of experience. With an impressive Trustpilot rating of 4.4 stars garnered from feedback provided by more than 3,500 users, Superpay stands out as a trustworthy and reliable option for those seeking to make money online. What sets Superpay apart is its user-friendly approach to earnings. Users can cash out their earnings as soon as they hit the $1 mark, providing unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Moreover, the platform offers various withdrawal options, including PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and direct bank transfers through Wise or Skrill. With a track record of over $6 million paid out to its users, Superpay has proven itself to be a reliable source of income. However, it's important to note that while Superpay is currently available in the United States and select top-tier countries, its reach may be limited for users in other regions. InstaGC.com. InstaGC stands out as a dynamic platform that offers users the opportunity to withdraw varying amounts of money daily, ranging from modest sums over $100 to substantial earnings exceeding $600. What truly distinguishes InstaGC is its remarkable global accessibility, ensuring that individuals from diverse regions, including the United States, Canada, UK, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, South Africa, and beyond, can seamlessly participate in its money-making endeavors. With a solid foundation established in 2011, InstaGC has proudly served its user base for over a decade, cementing its reputation as a trustworthy avenue for online income generation. Functioning as a versatile website app, InstaGC presents users with an array of earning opportunities, from completing surveys and shopping online to browsing the web and, notably, watching videos. While the platform's multifaceted approach to earning points is commendable, our focus today lies on the lucrative prospect of making money by watching videos, many of which feature embedded YouTube content. By simply signing up and logging into their InstaGC accounts, users can navigate to the Earn section and select the Watch Videos option, thereby initiating their journey toward earning money through the consumption of diverse video content. It's important to note that InstaGC predominantly rewards its users with various gift cards, including popular options like Airbnb and Amazon, among others. While this may present a limitation for some individuals seeking cash payouts, InstaGC's widespread accessibility and diverse earning avenues render it an appealing choice for those eager to supplement their income through online means. Earnably.com. Introducing Earnably, the third app on our list. This website app provides users with multiple avenues to earn money, including completing offers, surveys, tasks, and, of course, watching videos. With a dedicated section specifically for video watching, Earnably offers a convenient way to earn money online. What sets Earnably apart is its global accessibility, allowing users from any corner of the world to participate and earn. Boasting an impressive 4.5-star rating out of 5 from over 1,300 users on Trustpilot, Earnably has earned its place as a verified and reputable company in the realm of online earning. One of the standout features of Earnably is its diverse range of payment withdrawal methods, including options like PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and Apple gift cards. What's more, Earnably tailors its available payment methods based on the user's country, ensuring that users can easily withdraw their earnings using the most suitable option available to them. This user-centric approach adds to Earnably's appeal as a legitimate and reliable platform for making money online. Swagbucks. Let's explore the fourth app on our list, swagbucks.com. This website app boasts an impressive track record of payouts to its users, with a stellar rating of over 4.2 stars out of 5 on Trustpilot, garnered from the feedback of more than 35,000 users. Swagbucks is not only recognized as a verified company on Trustpilot, but also as a legitimate platform for earning money online through various activities, including watching videos. Offering a diverse range of earning opportunities, Swagbucks allows users to earn rewards by answering surveys, playing games, and exploring the latest short videos, such as TikTok or YouTube Shorts. With its global availability, individuals from all corners of the globe can leverage Swagbucks to earn money from anywhere in the world. What sets Swagbucks apart is its plethora of payment withdrawal methods, including PayPal Cash, making it convenient for users to access their earnings. In instances where PayPal may not be available in a user's country, Swagbucks offers alternative withdrawal options, such as various gift cards. Additionally, Swagbucks offers a generous $10 sign-up bonus, providing users with an incentive to register and begin their journey toward earning money online. PrizeRebel.com. Let's explore the fifth and final app on our list, PrizeRebel. This website offers users the opportunity to earn points by completing short opinion surveys and various other offers, including watching YouTube videos. Once logged into your account, you can easily find these video watching opportunities under the Offers section. Much like the other apps on our list, PrizeRebel is available worldwide, allowing users from any location to earn money by watching videos. With a history dating back to 2007, PrizeRebel has a solid track record of paying out over $29 million to its users, establishing itself as a reputable platform for making money online. One of the standout features of PrizeRebel is its extensive range of payment withdrawal options, offering users over 200 different choices. Whether you prefer PayPal Cash, Bitcoins, or various gift cards such as Amazon, Starbucks, eBay, Visa, and more, PrizeRebel has you covered. Additionally, PrizeRebel sets a low withdrawal threshold of just $5, making it easy for users to access their earnings. This user-friendly approach, coupled with its diverse payment options and global accessibility, makes PrizeRebel a compelling choice for those looking to earn money online. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching until the end. Please like and subscribe to WealthWalk if you find this video informative. Again, thanks for watching and see you at the next one.